Hello and welcome back. In this lecture, we are going to install Studio3T for MongoDB. So Studio3T is UI connector for MongoDB so that we can manage our database, collection and documents. So it seems like SQL databases. We are preferring some UI connector to manage our database, tables, writing the queries and doing a lot of things with our database. Say for MySQL database, we have MySQL Workbench, that is UI connector. For Postgres database, we have pgadmin. So in the same way, we have Studio3T for MongoDB. Obviously, we can write the MongoDB queries with the terminal as well. And we will cover that in the later part of the course as well. But it is very easy and time saving to have UI connector to manage our MongoDB database, collections and documents. So here is the official website of Studio3T. Just go to the download page and according to your operating system and bit, just download the Studio3T for your local machine and install it because it is very easy to install. So I am not following those steps over here. I have already installed Studio3T in my local machine. So after installing the Studio3T, just open it and it will be look like this. On the laptop, you will see option to connect. Click on the new connection. So as of now, our MongoDB server is running on port 27017 in our local machine, and that is already provided here. So we don't need to change anything. Just give the connection name. So I'm giving local. Click save and click on the connect. Yes, we have successfully connected to our local MongoDB server from Studio3T. Before establishing the connection from Studio3T, make sure you have MongoDB server running on your local machine on port 27017. So this is the Studio3T that we are going to use in this course as a UI connector to manage our MongoDB database, collections and documents, writing queries and doing a lot of things. So that's all for now. We'll see you in the next lecture. Thank you very much.